The pull chain for this ceiling fan light has broken. You can see the chain in there, but it's not coming out. There's no way to replace just this pull chain on this kind of fixture. So this piece comes as one fixture. It has the light bulb socket as well as the pull chain for the light. So let me go ahead and get this off of here. There's 3 screws holding this thing on. I've got 2 of them out. I'm gonna take this one out and I'll drop this down. And of course, before doing anything, I have turned the power off, turned the breaker off, and I verified that the power is off. So that's the first thing you do before you do any of this. All right, there's the last screw. All right, so looking at this thing, you can see there are 2 wires coming out of it. A black wire and a white wire. And it's connected to the fan, and there's 2 caps that connect the wires to the fan wires. So this brown piece goes to the fan, so I need to get it off, and then I can attach the new one that I bought, and then should be able to screw these wires together with these caps, and then reattach the piece, and it should work. So I'm going to undo these caps first. So the black wire is going to the blue wire in the fan. Just got to remember that. Black to blue, and then white to white. There. So here's the one from the fan, and this is the one that I bought. You'll notice there are 2 wires coming off of it, a black wire and a white wire. And it's got the light bulb socket, and it's got the pull chain. So all I got to do is take this brown piece off of this one, put it onto this one, and then I should be able to just put this piece up into the ceiling fan and make it work. I'm just going to loosen that nut. Let me see if I can figure out how this comes out. I guess it just screws off. Huh, interesting. So let's swap it out with this one. I'm going to try to do this without cutting these wires, see if they'll all fit in there. Interesting, that fits. I guess it's all kind of a standard thing. I'm going to thread this nut onto there. Sorry if it's kind of hard to see, but... Okay, so let's go up there to the fan and see if we can get these wires connected. Remembering what I said about black to blue, I'm going to twist these wires together and then put that cap on there like that. Then I'm going to do the white wire. Alright, so let's see if this will all fit in there. Get a screw in there. Okay, so this is the new wire. Nice. Well, let me go ahead and turn back on the power and we can at least test it and see if it works before I screw it all the way back in. Okay, I've got the power back on. As you can see, the fan came back on. So let me go ahead and screw this in there. And let's try it. Maybe this, maybe the light bulb is bad. Let's change bulbs. Alright, I think I might have figured out what the problem is. As you can see, there's the fan. If I turn around, there's another switch here. So let's flip that on. Now let's try it out. Alright, so bulb back in. Oh man, look at it. Man, I feel good. Man, look at that. It's just the dang switch on the wall. I'm watching you. How easy could that be? Alright, look at the light. It works. I just got to get a globe to replace it. My daughter also broke the globe. So I gotta get one of those. But as you can see, fixing the light was easy. If it was not so painfully obvious during the video that I've never done this before and I didn't know what I was doing, well, I didn't know what I was doing, and it's the first time I've ever done it. So if I could do it, you can do it. Go ahead and try it out, okay? Now I got my part from Home Depot. I'll put the part that I got in the description box. It was pretty easy to do. Didn't take me but 15 minutes. If this was helpful at all, just give me a thumbs up. That's all I ask.